Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student trying to get better grades, finish assignments faster, or just study smarter, not harder, then this video is for you. Today, we're checking out the best AI tools that can totally transform the way you study, from taking notes, to writing essays, to prepping for exams. So grab your notebook, or your laptop, and let's get started. 1. ChatGPT, the ultimate study buddy. First up, ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it, but most students don't realize how powerful it really is when used right. Here's how to use it effectively for studying. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and ask it to summarize your lecture notes. Example prompt. Summarize my notes on World War II into key bullet points for revision. Step 2. Ask follow-up questions to deepen understanding. Example. Can you explain the causes of World War II like I'm 12 years old? You'll get a clear, simplified version that makes complex topics easier to digest. Bonus tip. You can even say. 3. Use ChatGPT to generate mini quizzes for revision. Example. Quiz me on the main ideas from this topic and ChatGPT will generate a mini quiz for you. It's like having your own personal tutor available 24/7. 2. NotionAI. Organize smarter. Next is NotionAI. Perfect if you love keeping your school life organized. Think of Notion as your digital brain, and NotionAI just makes it smarter. Here's how to use it. Create a page for each subject. Add your notes, assignments, and to-do lists. Then click the Ask AI button to get help. You can tell it things like, summarize my biology notes, or generate a study schedule for my finals next week. NotionAI will instantly help you turn chaos into clarity, and the best part? It keeps everything in one place. Let's say you have 3 exams next week. Ask NotionAI to make me a 5-day revision plan based on these topics. Boom, instant study plan, no stress. 3. Quizlet AI. Smart flashcards, third on the list. Quizlet, especially now that it uses AI. You can upload your notes or copy-paste a textbook chapter, and Quizlet will automatically create flashcards and quizzes for you. Then you can study using features like Learn Mode or Test Mode, which adapt to your progress. Pro tip. Use Quizlet's AI explanations when you get something wrong. It'll tell you why you missed the answer, not just what the correct one is. Perfect for memorizing definitions, formulas, or vocab. 4. Grammarly and Wordtune. Write like a pro. Next, let's talk about writing tools, Grammarly and Wordtune. These are lifesavers when you're writing essays, research papers, or even discussion posts. Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, tone, and clarity in real time. Wordtune takes it further. It can rewrite sentences to sound more natural or formal, depending on your goal. Example. Original sentence. This research shows how technology affects education. Wordtune fix. This research demonstrates how technology impacts education. Clean, confident, and professional. 5. Perplexity AI. Research smarter. Now, for research, meet Perplexity AI. Unlike Google, Perplexity doesn't just throw random links at you. It actually summarizes information from trusted sources and provides citations. Example. Ask. Summarize the latest research on climate change impact on agriculture. In seconds, it'll give you a clear answer and show where that info came from. Perfect for essays or research projects. No more spending hours scrolling through websites. Perplexity does the digging for you. So there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools that can help you study smarter, not harder. 1. ChatGPT for understanding concepts. 2. NotionAI for staying organized. 3. Quizlet for easy memorization. 4. Grammarly and Wordtune for writing. 5. Perplexity for fast research. Start using even one of these today, and you'll see a huge difference in your productivity and confidence. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and study hacks, and comment below which tool you're going to try first. Study smart with AI.